Congratulations. You made it to day 4 of the third quarter Services Action Week at East National Magnet School. Congratulations. Let's finish this up. I hope this week has been a good one for you. I hope that the research you've been doing in your PLT has been fulfilling and interesting. Isn't it nice to know that quite simply just researching something can be considered a service? And if you've been doing that this work, this week, this work. If you've been doing that this week, congratulations. You've been doing an essential part of being an IB student. Nice work. Today's video is very, very short because we've done most of this stuff already. We are at the place where we're going to finally share our infographic. Finish them up, obviously, and then share the infographic. The next day, when we come back from this long weekend, will be about a reflection. You'll have a day in PLT to do that. Again, quite simply, today's work, finish, submit the infographic, very easy to do, and once it's done, pat yourself on the back. You performed a good service for your community. And with this slide, folks, that's it from me today. While you're finishing your infographic, and I encourage you to leave this up on the screen so that everybody can see it, these 4 things, number 1, 2, 3, 4, a clear title and theme, a story, letting the visuals do the work, and having your 10 facts, statistics, and data points up there is all you need for this activity. So once you're done, find a way to share it with me, scott.wofford@mnps.org, and you're done. I look forward to sharing this with everybody else. I look forward to seeing your hard work. Great job. Teachers, leave this up on the board so that folks can see it as they're finishing up. Look forward to it. Well done.